Alright, we're going to be installing a gate. If you measure it off, going about 10 inches up from the ground. We're going to have marks at 14 and 51. The bit I'm using is a 9/16. We'll go in about 2 inches or so. Maybe 3. Alright, bottom one, let's do the top one now. These bolts here, the nut size is a 9/16. Loosen it up a little bit. That'll slide. It's pretty level. Once you get the bracket put up on there, just got to tighten it up. The one on the bottom faces up, this one faces down. This is going to be a diverter gate. I can run them through the chute or separate them to another pin. That ought to work nice. Alright, video's over.